In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google Translate a website in Google Chrome. If you've ever stumbled upon a web page that isn't in your native language, you might have felt a bit overwhelmed by the sea of unfamiliar words and phrases. But don't worry, Google Chrome has a built-in feature that makes translating entire pages seamless and straightforward. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to, essentially, open up your online world to new languages with ease. First and foremost, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer or device, as this feature is built right into Chrome's interface. Start by navigating to the website you want to translate. It could be a news article, a blog post, or even an online store. Just type the URL in the address bar at the top and hit enter. Once the page is loaded, let's set the translation process in motion. Now, direct your attention to any empty space within the web page. This step might seem trivial, but it's crucial for accessing more options on the page. With your mouse, right-click on this blank spot. After doing so, you'll see a menu of different options pop up. It's essential to ensure that you click in an area where there's no text, images, or links to avoid triggering any unwanted actions. Next, look through the options presented in the menu and find Translate to English. If your Chrome is set to a different default language, the prompt might say, Translate to, followed by that language. Click on this option, and this is where the magic happens. Chrome will quickly work behind the scenes to convert the text on the page into the selected language. Once you've clicked on Translate to English, let Chrome work its magic. The page will reload, and you'll notice that the entire content has transformed into English, or your desired language if different. This seamless transition allows you to continue your browsing experience effortlessly, now equipped with an understanding of the content that was once out of reach. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Google Translate on websites through Chrome. This tool is particularly handy for students, researchers, or anyone diving into global content for information or entertainment. It's amazing how a few clicks can break down language barriers and enable you to explore a world without borders right from your screen. So, the next time you encounter a foreign web page, remember these steps, and you'll be navigating through it like a native in no time. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks to enrich your digital experience.